Welcome. Get started by opening your browser and search for YUBICO Authenticator download. Click Download now. Select Download for Mac directly here. Access Downloads and drag the Authenticator file to your Applications folder. Open the Authenticator app. Confirm you want to open the application. If your YUBI key is not present, plug it in now. Select Passkeys from menu, then click Change PIN. The default PIN is displayed on screen if this is the first time using your YUBI key. Enter new PIN, then confirm. Well done, you have successfully changed your PIN.